Today I am making a very simple and cheap tomato soup recipe with just a few ingredients. 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 16 ounces of water. The first thing we have to do is put the heat on medium, and then we're going to add the 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Then we're going to add the tablespoon of sugar and give it a mix. And then we're gradually going to add the water. And that's all it is to make this simple and cheap tomato soup. So if you don't have too much ingredients in your pantry and you have these tomato sauce cans and some sugar and water, you can make this soup. Very simple. You have to have this soup come to a boil, and you can just occasionally stir it till it's ready. If you would like this soup a little sweeter, you can put in a little more than a tablespoon. But Grandpa and I don't like our soup too sweet, so the tablespoon is fine for us. Now the soup is all ready to be served. It took approximately 15 minutes on medium heat to get done. And this soup is comparable to Campbell's tomato soup. So if you like Campbell's tomato soup, you're going to really like this quick, simple, and cheap soup. How does this soup taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. You know tomato soup is my favorite. This tastes very good. Very flavorful.
I'm glad you like it, Pa.